Welcome! If you've ever snoozed a conversation on X, formerly known as Twitter, and now you're missing those important updates, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to take a conversation off snooze on X using your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your messages. Next, look to the left side of the homepage and click on Messages. This will open your direct message inbox, where all your conversations are listed. Now, find the conversation you previously snoozed. Hover your mouse over that conversation, and you'll notice 3 dots appear, usually to the right or as part of the conversation options. Click on those 3 dots to reveal more settings for that specific chat. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says Take Conversation Off Snooze. Click on this. And just like that, notifications for this conversation will be turned back on. You'll start receiving alerts for new messages from this chat, so you won't miss anything important anymore. This feature is perfect if you want to regain control over your notifications and stay updated with the conversations that matter most. Whether it's a group chat or a one-on-one message, you can easily manage which conversations notify you and which stay quiet. Remember, you can repeat these steps for any conversation you've snoozed in the past. It's a simple way to customize your messaging experience and make sure you never miss out on updates that are important to you. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on getting the most out of X. Stay connected, and see you in the next video.